So to do a little before and after here, and do a little construction. Don't mind all the sheetrock dust everywhere. That's from cutting this sheetrock out. But what I'm doing, this is all going to be a sleeping loft, which I'm going to cut this open here so you can get in there. So this is, I've just started, so gotta put some joists across here, and then yeah, you know the rest. But that slop sink is gonna be gone. Hot water heater is gonna be up top here somewhere. Maybe put a closet in, cover all that bullshit. Stackable washer and dryer there. And then I'm gonna build a wall here, kind of corner that out, put a toilet here, and cut this open for a doorway into the bathroom from here. And then put, you know, a regular kitchen sink like here, range over here somewhere. Some of that's subject to change as things come, but that's what we're going for. So this loft shouldn't take me very long to get that up. And then the hot water heater, you know, I'll probably start on that. As far as building a real kitchen with real cabinets and getting the appliances all squared away, I have to get 220 in here for the range. And I've never built a kitchen, so that part is going to take a little while. The kitchen and the bathroom are going to take a little while, but the loft should be done soon, and just piece by piece. But this video, I just want to document, you know, where we started out. So this is the beginning.